this is with regards to the much anticipated and talked about, in fact, the headline Meka Coldplay concert here in India. The row over Coldplay tickets continue to snowball even further. The rush over it continues. Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray's faction has now returned to Maharashtra's chief minister, alleging a black marketing happening for the tickets of Coldplay concerts. In fact, Sena is now demanding a probe into this particular issue. On the other hand, CEO of Book My Show, the portal responsible for selling out the tickets of Coldplay, Ashish Hemaranjani, has been summoned by the Mumbai police in relation to this specific matter. Let's listen into some reactions also coming in.
25 जनवरी महीने में नई मुंबई के डीवाई पाटिल स्टेडियम में कोल्ड प्ले बैंड का एक बहुत बड़ा इवेंट होने वाला है, जिसमें हजारों लाखों की तादाद में युवा सहभागी होना चाहते हैं। युवाओं ने सोचा कि ये टिकट खरीदा जाए। टिकट बेचने की जिम्मेदारी, उसकी व्यवस्था करने की जिम्मेदारी बुक माई शो एक कंपनी जिसके पास है। जब युवाओं ने लाखों की संख्या में टिकट खरीदना चाहा तो 2-4 सेकंड में ही बुक माई शो का जो वेबसाइट है वो क्रैश हो गया और बुक माई शो ने कहा कि हमने सारे टिकट बेच दिए। जबकि हकीकत यह बताई जा रही है कि बहुत सारे दूसरे डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म है, दूसरे वेबसाइट है, जहां अभी भी टिकट 5 गुना 10 गुना ज़्यादा महंगे दामों पर कालाबाजारी के थ्रू बेची जा रही है। इसकी एक सघन जांच की जाए, क्योंकि ऐसा न हो जाए कि हमारे युवाओं के जोश को कोई छल रहा है।
कोल्डप्ले शो के बारे में ब्लैक मार्केटिंग में उनकी टिकटें बिक रही है, इस प्रकार की शिकायत प्राप्त हुई है। सवाल ये उठता है कि शो जनवरी में है, जब टिकट्स ऑनलाइन बिकना आरंभ हुआ कुछ सेकंड के अंदर सारी टिकटें समाप्त। ये षड्यंत्र के तहत उसके ऑर्गेनाइजर ब्लैक मार्केटिंग को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, इस प्रकार की ये सकृत दर्शनी जानकारी लोग बता रहे हैं। सरकार इसकी पूरी जांच करेगी। यदि ऑर्गेनाइजर भी इसका हिस्सा है तो उनकी जगह जेल के सलाखों के पीछे है।
CNN News 18's Preeti Sompura is joining us on the phone line. Preeti, a very good morning to you. It's not just the politicians, but in fact netizens are pretty triggered about how exactly this entire ticket booking happened and how now they are getting the tickets through black marketing on 10x rates. Apart from that, they are also throwing a lot of allegations on the social media. What exactly is going to happen to the Book My Show CEO, since he will be now probed?
The Mumbai Police EOW has already started the investigation in this matter, and they have already summoned the CEO of the Book My Show regarding this matter. But now the allegation has started, like Uddhav Thackeray fraction, Shiv Sena has also raised the question. Even the BJP MLA Ram Kadam also said, like, now the government has to interfere in this matter and they should do the inquiry on the government level. But besides this, as we know that Mumbai Police have already summoned the Book My Show's CEO in this matter, and there was also earlier during the World Cup tournament match also between India and Pakistan, and the finale which took place in Ahmedabad between India and Australia. There was some news about that some inside trading and black marketing is going on from some of the employees of Book My Show. So during that time also Book My Show came into a radar during the World Cup tournament. Now this is the second time in the last 6 months that again the question has been raised against the Book My Show. Either their employees are involved in this black marketing, because there are lots of on the other app and on the other platform also the tickets of the Coldplay is going on, and they are selling these tickets on the more than 400 times more than the real price. So now the government and even the Mumbai Police came into actions after lots of allegations by the netizen. But yesterday during our town hall show, when this question was asked to the Maharashtra Home Minister, Devendra Fadnavis, during that time he clearly said that even I also did not get the tickets of the Coldplay. It doesn't mean that I am a Home Minister so that I will get the tickets, but I am also a sufferer that I could not get the tickets. Besides this, earlier Karan Johar also he said that even I also did not get the tickets, because when the Coldplay tickets started on the Book My Show, within a few minutes the website crashed, and after that
Right.
you can see that more than 15 to 20 lakh people were on the waiting list, but hardly any people got the tickets. And after the 2 shows, they have added another 3rd show also in Mumbai, but the tickets are not available. So now the netizens are abusing the Book My Show that some of the inside trading is going on regarding this show.